Sparky Sparks here. Hey, are you like me? Are you nervous to do new things or go places where there's people you don't know? Well, if you're like me, that's what I'm usually very nervous when I go places that I don't know anybody. But my goal in 2024 is to break that nervousness. So I'm challenging myself each day to go someplace where I don't know anybody, and I just have to sit in that uncomfortableness. And my hope is that by doing this, I will desensitize myself from, that fear of the unknown, or that fear of, I don't even know how to put a name on it. But so to get rid of those, that anxiety feeling. So I did it this morning. I went someplace new. I didn't know a soul. It was fine. Nobody was thinking anything. I wasn't thinking anything. It was just a great experience, and I think I've made some new friends, and I'll do this again, and next time I'll know some people. So challenge yourself to do something uncomfortable, especially as we get older. Why not, right? It's a short life. Live it big. Hope that's helpful.